Hey guys, we went to a seminar. Say hi, Bob.
Hi.
We're gonna talk about what we learned. Mom, what did you think about the seminar?
I thought it was great. The seminar that Christopher's talking about is at Chapman College, and it's the Thompson Policy Institute. They had a lot of great speakers all around inclusion and all abilities, and everything they've done in the past has been great. So I was really looking forward to taking Christopher for the second time to the seminar and getting his thoughts on it.
It really all opened up my perspectives on other disabilities. It was cool because I haven't been in the loop for a long time.
For those of you that are following the All Abilities community, the Thompson Institute is one of the best leaders out there when it comes to just disabilities in general. Every year they have a seminar. I just find them very inspiring. This year they had some amazing speakers. They had a young girl with Down syndrome.
Yeah.
She was a great singer, great performer. She's an actress. They just show you like all the different abilities and what people are able to do.
A 17-year-old can do that? Yes, she can.
It starts at home. It starts with letting our kids know how special they are and all the potential that they have. I know that there were a lot of educators there today, a lot of different groups that support the disabled community,
Yeah.
but it shouldn't be just them.
Yeah.
Again, it takes a village,
Yeah.
and that is not more true than it is with this community that we live in.
It allows the kids to be more involved, and like we're talking about being more accepting to people with special needs, right, Mom?
And it goes beyond being accepting, because really there's nothing to be accepted, but
Yeah.
just creating opportunities
Yeah.
and have it be a way of life. Do you mind if I read the agenda so that people can have an idea of what we saw today?
Go ahead.
We did welcome with Dr. Roxanne Greets-Miller, opening remarks by Dr. Megan Kosher and Audrey Sandoval Gomez. My Voice Matters, Inclusion Opportunity and the Power of Being Heard. That was Mia Noel, the young lady I was telling you guys about. She's absolutely incredible. She was the keynote speaker. She's a self-advocate, an actress, and a singer. If you want to see a rising star, please look her up. SIP Demonstrating Sites in Action, Advancing Inclusive School Across California. That was Dr. Carmen Hopkins, Dr. Andrew Walls, Dr. Audrey Sandoval Gomez. And we had an amazing performance by a group of kiddos.
Yeah.
They call themselves Down for Dance, and
They-
talk about
Talk
entertainment.
about
They-
entertainment. They were dancing, and one kid was doing the work.
Yeah, they were really cool, really great dancers, and a lot of personality, so it was a lot of fun to watch them. They did technology with purpose, using AI to expand opportunities. I know there's a lot of conversations out there about AI and all the bad things that are happening, but
Yeah.
what they emphasize is that there's always going to be a human behind it. Dr. Eric Lindstedt Spencer, Dr. Megan Kosher spoke about that. They had Outstanding Contribution Disability Advocacy. Assemble member Dr. Darshana Patel, she got an award. I found her to be everything that I want my representatives to be. And then we had closing discussions with Artie Garg and Sabag Garg. This is the gentleman, and I don't know if you ever watched Love on the Spectrum, is that
Love on the spectrum.
he was one of the gentlemen that found love, and
It's a dating show, by the way, guys. If you guys want to spread awareness, educators, I would really consider going to the event next year.
completely agree. I think if you're an educator or have anything to do with the special needs community, you definitely should be going to this, because you walk away inspired, but not just inspired, with tools and knowledge as to how you can better support this community. So if you haven't been there, you're missing out. If you're a parent, I also recommend you go. I don't think we had a lot of parents there.
Please go. It only happens once a year. You guys can really benefit from it. That way, when you go in to the next school year, you can say, this is what I took away from this seminar. This is how I think we can help kids. Every kid learns differently.
And it's understanding how they learn that will help them grow and become successful. Everybody should be going to this.
Yeah.
You walk out of there with your very own toolbox, for the next year. So it's definitely time well spent.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Mom, thank you for doing this with me.
No problem.
I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.